Let's solve this equation on the board together. It says x minus 2 raised power 6 is equal to 2 raised power 6. We're required to solve for the value of x. Now, straight away, the first thing to do here is that we can say that x minus 2 all raised to the power 6 can be written to be minus 2 raised to the power 6 is equal to 0. Okay? Now, from this place, we can say, using the law that states that a raised to the power m all raised to the power of n is equal to a raised to the power m multiplied by n, we have that from here we have x minus 2 all raised to the power 3 all raised to the power 2 minus 2 raised to the power 3 all raised to the power of 2 is equal to 0. Okay? Now looking at this, we now have difference of two squares. So we have this squared minus this squared. And from difference of two squares, this becomes equal to x minus 2 all raised to the power of 3. Okay, this is a plus 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by x minus 2 all raised to the power of 3 minus 2 raised to the power of 3. Okay, and this is b. And this is equal to 0. Okay, so this follows from difference of two squared. Now from here, we can say that when the product of two things is equal to 0, it's either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. So we can say that it's either this is equal to 0, meaning that you have x minus 2 raised to the power 3 plus 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 0. Okay? Now this follows the law of sum of two cubes. Sum of two cubes states that if I have a cubed plus b cubed is equal to a plus b into a squared minus ab plus b squared. Okay, this is the law of sum of two cubes. Hence, applying this law here, x minus 2 plus 2 multiplied by x minus 2 squared minus 2 into x minus 2, okay, plus 4. Okay, so this is this squared minus this times this plus 2 squared, all right? And all these things are equal to 0, remember? So it's equal to 0. Okay, now moving on from here, we can now expand this. So we have x, this plus this is 0, so we have x multiplied by x times x squared is x squared, 2 times x is 2x, times minus 2 is minus 4x, 2 squared is 4, minus 2 times x is 2x, minus 2 times minus 2 is plus 4, plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, now from here we can say that x into x squared minus 4x minus 2x is minus 6x, 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 4 is 12. Now at this point we can have two answers. We can say that it's either x is equal to 0 or x squared minus 6x plus 12 is equal to 0. From here, we can use the almighty formula. So we have minus x is equal to minus 6 is 6 plus or minus square root of 6 squared is 36 minus 4 times 12 is 48 all over 2 times 1 is 2. So the quadratic formula states that x here will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, this is the quadratic formula that we're using. Now from here we have that this is now equal to 6 plus or minus 36 minus 48 is negative 12 square roots all over 2. Hence, this is now equal to 6 divided by 2 is 3, plus or minus square root of 4 times square root of negative 3 is equal to square root of 12. Hence, square root of 4 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we have root of negative 3. And root of negative 3 is written as 3. Okay, so we have 3 plus or minus I root 3, okay, as the two answers for x, plus x being equal to 0. Now let's find the remaining 3 answers for x. So moving on from here, we have the second condition, which says that x minus 2 all cubed minus 2 cubed is equal to 0. Solving this, we use the difference of 2 cubes. The difference of 2 cubes is similar to the sum of 2 cubes, but the difference is that a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay, hence applying this law here, we have a to be this and b to be this. So we have x minus 2 minus 2 into x minus 2 squared plus 2 into x minus 2 plus 2 squared is 4. And this is equal to 0. Continuing from here, we have minus 2 is minus 4 into x squared is x squared. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x times 2 is negative 4x. 2 squared is 4. Okay? 2 times x is 2x minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 0. Continuing from here, we now have that x minus 4 multiplied by x squared minus 4x plus 2x is minus 2x. Okay? 4 minus 4 is 0 plus 4 is 4. Now from here we can say that this is equal to 0. Now when the product of this is equal to 0, it's either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. So it's either x is equal to 4 or s squared minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now from here we have, if s squared minus s plus 4 is equal to 0, we use the quadratic formula again. So we have minus 4, minus 2 is plus 2, plus or minus square root of 2 squared is 4, minus 4 times 4 is 16, all over 2 times 1 is 2, is equal to 0. Now from here, we have, this is root of negative 12, root of negative 12 we said is 2i root 3, okay? So this is 2i root 3, so we just simply write 2 plus or minus 2i root 3 all over 2. Okay? Hence, this is now equal to 1 plus or minus I root 3 as our final answer to this given problem. Thanks for watching this video. If you made it to the end, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.